Welcome to Gene's Reviews, where I basically do whatever the hell I want. Creepy video in my car. Does this creepy footage show evidence of life on Mars? Let's check it out and decide for ourselves. I've seen that picture a lot.
How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some mysterious clips that can't quite be explained. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more creepy content.
Little bit of awa.
For decades, space enthusiasts have been captivated by images of Mars sent back to Earth by NASA's various missions. A key region of interest is Cydonia, which is
those faces,
speculation and conspiracy theories. At the center of these theories is the face on Mars, which some believe hints at an ancient alien civilization. Cydonia is a region on Mars located in the planet's northern hemisphere. It was first imaged by NASA's Viking 1 and 2 orbiters in the late 1970s. This area comprises a mixture of flat plains, mountains, and unique landforms that have sparked curiosity and debate among scientists and the general public alike. The most famous feature in this region is a landform that resembles a humanoid face, now commonly referred to as the face on Mars. The face is a 1.5 kilometer.
Do you think it's just that pareidolia? You see what you want to see?
Appears to resemble a human face. The initial images captured by the Viking orbiters showed a face-like structure with discernible
Looks pretty real to me.
And a mouth. This striking resemblance to a human face led to a flurry of speculation and theories about its origins and purpose. The resemblance of the face on Mars to a human face has fueled theories that it represents an ancient Martian civilization or is part of a ruined city. Proponents of these ideas argue that the face-like structure is evidence of an intelligent extraterrestrial presence on the Red Planet. They believe that the face may have been a monument, temple, or even a warning sign to other civilizations in the cosmos. While the
kind of
theories
like
of an
the
ancient
pyramids
alien
are here
civilization are captivating, they're not universally accepted. Skeptics and many scientists argue that the face on Mars is simply a natural formation, created by the interplay of erosion, shadows, and the human brain's tendency to recognize familiar patterns, a phenomenon known as pareidolia. Since the initial Viking images, more recent missions, such as the Mars Global Surveyor and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, have provided higher resolution images that show the face-like features to be less distinct and more akin to natural geological formations. In addition to the face on Mars, the Cydonia region has also garnered attention for its mysterious pyramid-like structures. These formations, located near the face-like landform, have added fuel to the theories of ancient civilization on the Red Planet. Several pyramid-like structures have been identified within the Cydonia region, not far from the face on Mars.
I didn't know about this.
These formations are characterized by their relatively symmetric geometric shapes and have been compared to the pyramids found on Earth, such as those in Egypt and Mesoamerica. The most famous of these Martian pyramids is the so-called DNM Pyramid, a 5-sided structure named after its discoverers, Vincent de Pietro and Gregory Molinar. The presence of pyramid-like structures in close proximity to the face on Mars has further fueled theories of an ancient civilization on Mars. Proponents of this idea argue that these formations are remnants of an advanced society that once inhabited the Cydonia region. They suggest that the Martian pyramids may have served as tombs, temples, or even energy generation systems similar to the alleged purposes of Earth's pyramids. Some theorists also draw parallels between the alignment and the layout of the Martian pyramids and the face on Mars, suggesting that they may have been part of a grand interconnected city or complex. This idea is supported by the fact that many ancient Earth civilizations, such as the Egyptians and Mayans, built monumental structures like pyramids and temples to showcase their power and knowledge. As with the face on Mars, skeptics argued that the Martian pyramids are likely natural geological formations. They contend that the pyramid-like shapes
People are
could be the
always
result
trying
of
to
erosion,
debunk,
volcanic activity,
and I
or
understand,
other geological
but
processes that have shaped the Martian landscape.
you need to keep your
over
mind
millions of
open,
years.
you know?
Additionally, the human brain's pareidolia phenomenon, which leads us to see familiar patterns in random shapes, may be at play when interpreting these structures as artificial. Interestingly, on the 7th
But it
of
may
May
be real,
2015,
too.
another mysterious pyramid shape was
You need to
discovered on the
study it
surface
more.
of Mars. It was captured by the Mars Curiosity rover and was uploaded to the raw feed on NASA's website. In the image, you can see the distinct pointed tip of a pyramid. It stands out in contrast to the other rocks in the
Yeah, that
outcrop.
doesn't look like pareidolia to me.
Some have speculated that it's the tip of a massive buried structure. However, without the ability to investigate further, most internet pundits are lost in mere conjecture and speculation.
Yeah, we can't exactly just go there and look. Send the
NASA's
rover,
Curiosity
though.
rover has recently captured a fascinating image on Mars that's taken the internet by storm. The photograph, taken on May 7th, 2022 in the Mount Sharp region, appears to show an alien
a door.
doorway that has led to a multitude
Wow.
of theories regarding its origin and purpose. On Sol 3466, which are Mars days, the masked camera on board NASA's Mars Curiosity rover captured a unique rock formation that resembled a doorway.
Looks like it to
The
me.
image quickly went viral on social media, with many users claiming that the formation looked artificial. The apparent alien doorway has given rise to a plethora of theories, with some suggesting that it could be an entrance to a vast underground city on Mars.
Looks like something
This
that was
hypothetical
built. It
city
doesn't look
could
like it's
either
a
be currently
natural
inhabited by an alien civilization
doorway.
or have been abandoned for millennia. This theory has captivated the imagination of many, as it implies the existence of advanced extraterrestrial life forms on the Red Planet, and even opens up the possibility of discovering long-lost technology or knowledge. While the underground city theory is undeniably intriguing, experts and skeptics argue that the alien doorway is most likely a natural geological formation.
come on.
As mentioned earlier, the peculiar rock formation is thought to be a shear fracture resulting from strain on the rock.
I don't.
possibly
Looking
aided
at it,
by
I don't
Mars
believe
quakes.
that. Not for a second.
Similar formations have been observed on Earth, where tectonic forces and erosion create unusual shapes in the landscape. In 2014, a strange phenomenon captured the attention of space enthusiasts around the world. YouTuber Paranormal Crucible discovered a series of images sent back by NASA's Curiosity rover on Mars that, when viewed in sequence, reveal an unidentified white light hovering near the planet's surface. The mystery surrounding this orb of light has sparked debates and theories about its true nature.
There has to be life out there, other than just us.
One
There has to
explanation
be.
for the puzzling orb of light is that it could simply be a dead pixel found in the original images. Dead pixels are common occurrences in digital imaging, resulting from minor
Okay, I
defects
can
in
see
the
that.
sensors of cameras. This theory suggests that the light's not a physical object on Mars, but rather an artifact of the imaging process.
Could be that. Could be
However,
real,
some
though.
viewers have argued that the orb's movements in the images indicate that it couldn't possibly be a dead pixel.
If it's moving, yeah.
They contend that the light's rapid and seemingly purposeful motion suggests that it might be something more interesting, such as a glimpse of alien technology. This theory has captured the imagination of many who hope for evidence of extraterrestrial life. A recent image sent back to Earth by one of NASA's Mars rovers has left internet users puzzled and intrigued. Amidst the rocky landscape of the Red Planet, an unusual rock formation resembling a carved statue with facial features has been spotted.
Can kind of see it.
Strangely, the statue appears to resemble former US President Barack Obama.
I don't see that, but okay.
Could this bizarre finding lend credibility to the extraordinary claims made by 2016 presidential candidate Andrew D. Basiago regarding time travel, extraterrestrial encounters, and secret Mars missions with Obama? Andrew Basiago has claimed that he was part of a top-secret US program called Project Pegasus, which involved time travel and space exploration. According to Basiago, he travelled to numerous locations, including Mars, where he observed and communicated with extraterrestrials. Basiago asserts that he was often accompanied by Barack Obama, who was also allegedly involved in the covert operation. During his supposed Mars missions, Basiago claims to have discovered
I never liked
evidence of
Obama.
life on the planet.
He always seemed really
including water
arrogant to
and
me.
actual extraterrestrial beings. In one particularly dramatic account, Basiago and 3 other members of Project Pegasus were allegedly attacked by pterodactyl-like creatures on Mars, but they managed to escape unharmed. The discovery of the Obama resembling rock formation on Mars has sparked speculation that it could somehow validate Basiago's claims. If true, this would mean that there have been secret missions to Mars involving time travel, extraterrestrial communication, and even high-profile individuals like Obama. While the strange rock formation on Mars bears a striking resemblance to former President Barack Obama, it's essential to approach Basiago's claims with skepticism. Without concrete evidence to support his extraordinary accounts of time travel, alien encounters, and secret missions, these stories remain in the realm of wild speculation.
That one to me can be pareidolia. But it wouldn't surprise me that
on Mars, known as the Star City, has captured the attention of researchers and space enthusiasts alike. Located in the Syrtis Major Planum region, this complex structure exhibits patterns, geometric objects, and other oddities reminiscent of tubes and tunnels. But is this mysterious formation a product of artificial construction or a natural phenomenon? Some researchers argue that the walls of Star City appear to be artificially constructed, fueling theories of extraterrestrial involvement or remnants of an ancient civilization. However, it's important to note that appearances can be deceiving, and just because a feature looks artificial doesn't necessarily mean that it is.
Right.
Our knowledge of Mars's climate, geology, and processes is still in its infancy. The debate over whether Mars ever had flowing water, or perhaps still does, continues to be a subject of discussion among scientists. This limited understanding of the red planet's geological processes makes it challenging to definitively determine the origins of enigmatic formations like Star City. While the Star City formation on Mars has piqued the curiosity of researchers and space enthusiasts, its true nature remains uncertain. Whether it's an artificially constructed structure or a natural geological phenomenon, the discovery highlights the many mysteries that Mars continues to offer. As we expand our understanding of the Martian landscape, future research may provide more conclusive answers about the origins of Star City and other perplexing features on the red planet. As NASA's Perseverance rover continues its exploration of the Martian landscape, it's captured yet another fascinating image. Taken on June 12, 2022 by the rover's right mast cam Z camera, this photo showcases a rock balancing precariously on another.
That's odd.
There's also a snakehead formation to the right, in an area nicknamed Hogwallow Flats.
I think
by
that's
NASA's
pareidolia.
engineers. These captivating geological features raise questions about the processes that shape them and the history of the red planet. The seemingly precarious balancing act and the snakehead formation are likely the result of weathering and wind erosion, two geological processes that significantly impact the Martian surface. Over time, these forces have carved out unique rock formations, creating captivating shapes, as captured in the Perseverance rover's images. The area known as Hogwallow Flats is just one of the many locations on Mars that exhibit intriguing geological features. As the Perseverance rover continues to study the Martian terrain, scientists hope to gain a deeper understanding of the planet's geological history and the forces that have shaped its landscape. These findings will be crucial in determining the potential habitability of Mars and the possibility of past or present life on the planet.
Well, they must not, if there is life there, they must not mind that rover being there. They would have destroyed it, I would have thought.
Among the countless craters scattered across the Martian landscape, one in particular has captured the attention of space enthusiasts and scientists alike. Captured by the Mars Global Surveyor, this intriguing photo features an ordinary-looking crater with an extraordinary interior. a near-perfect spherical structure with a golf ball-like texture. The off-center dome within the crater has sparked curiosity and speculation regarding its origins and composition. Its distinctive golf ball-like texture
looks
and
almost
seemingly
like a
perfect
pyramid
spherical
inside the
shape
crater.
raise questions about the geological processes responsible for its formation. Some observers have even likened the structure to the iconic geodesic constructions pioneered by architect Buckminster Fuller. As we continue to study and explore the surface of Mars, discoveries like this peculiar crater and its mysterious dome-like structure deepen our understanding of the red planet's geological history. These findings also highlight the diverse and often surprising features that make Mars a fascinating destination for both scientific
It is pretty
inquiry
cool.
and potential future human
Doesn't
missions.
Elon Musk want to move there?
A bizarre object captured on the surface of Mars by the Curiosity rover has left scientists and space enthusiasts puzzled. The image, taken on January 30th, 2013, features a shiny protuberance, approximately 0.05 centimeters tall, protruding from a rock.
Okay.
The object's metallic appearance has fueled speculation about its origins and composition. Two main possibilities have emerged to explain this
I don't know what
mysterious
that is.
object. One, it's a naturally formed nugget of metal. It is feasible that metals formed on Mars in a similar manner to those on Earth. The rock, worn away by wind and sandstorms, may have exposed a more durable vein of metal. Number two, an artificial manufactured object. Another possibility is that the metallic protuberance is an ancient manufactured artifact of unknown origin and purpose. It could have become embedded in the strata of Martian soil, which turned to rock, and was eventually revealed again through natural forces of wind and erosion. The mysterious metallic object photographed by the Curiosity rover on Mars continues to baffle scientists and spark debates about its true origin. Whether it's a natural formation or an ancient artifact, its discovery highlights the many mysteries still waiting to be uncovered on the red planet. Before we take a look at what many are calling a bronze statue discovered on the surface of
I've
Mars,
seen this.
remember to hit that subscribe button, then tickle that little bell icon there, and
Oh,
turn
no,
on
this is
channel
all-
notifications.
I
That way you can
believe
be
a lot of
notified every
this.
time we drop our scary
I don't believe
creepy
all of
videos.
it, but there has to be other life out there. There has to be.
NASA's Mars exploration rover Spirit captured a westward view from atop a low plateau during the final months of 2007, which has since ignited discussions and debates among social media users and space enthusiasts. The image shows a tiny structure on the Martian surface that some claim resembles a human figure,
It does.
suggesting possible evidence of life on Mars. The peculiar object in question has been likened to a female figure, or even a bronze statue.
It does
of
look
one.
like a statue of some kind.
It's easy to see the resemblance as the figure appears to have a head and arms and looks like it's kneeling. This discovery has fueled speculation among those searching for signs of life on the red planet. While the intriguing image has captured the imagination of many, some believe it's nothing more than a peculiar rock formation formed over
they're
time in the
trying
harsh
to
elements on the surface of Mars.
Write it off already. I don't think so.
So what do you think? Have you ever
That-
seen this image or any of the
that
others
looks real
we've
to
shown
me.
today in this video? If you have, we'd love to hear about it in the comments down below. Now, if you
Well, that was cool. I think a lot of that stuff, to me, it kind of looks like remnants of what used to be on Mars. Maybe their civilization was kind of wiped out, and that's like what's left of it. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I find that really, really interesting. Now it's time for a joke. It's time for a joke to brighten your day. At the gym the other day, I asked my trainer what machine I should use to get beautiful girls. He told me to try the ATM outside.